It's been a crazy couple of weeks, but finally in a spot where I can get back in my new workshop and kind of get ready to bring all of my Florida workshop, my old workshop, up to Georgia and start populating this shop. I've got a little bit of stuff that I brought up, but it's just kind of chaotic and everywhere, and it needs to have some order to it. Plus, I haven't even started wiring the electrical yet. I'm excited to kind of have some zen, kind of quiet in the shop and kind of just get things organized. I think that would be good. So, gonna get going on that. After several trips to Home Depot, I think I have what I need to at least get started with a few outlets. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start by figuring out where on this wall I want some plugs and then wire it up, see if I can figure that out. I am definitely not an electrician, so let's see if I survive this. So I have drilled holes through the studs, which is scary to do in a brand new building. But there they are. I'm wiring this plug because I've got these hanging LED lights, so I'm gonna run the plug to there. I think this is working. I think I know what I'm doing. We'll see. So next I need to connect this to the plug, and then I will connect these to the breaker. Got a 15 amp breaker just for the lights, and then the power tools will run to 20 amp breakers, which I will run with the yellow 12-2 cord. So far I'm not electrocuted or dead, so that's a good thing. I think I've got my first plug wired. I think I'm gonna try this. Okay, so let's unplug this guy. All right, I'm gonna plug it in here. I'm gonna go inside, flip the switch for this breaker, and see if it works. I think they ran the shop right here, 90 amps. All right, now let's go back outside and check it. I'm nervous. Coming outside, you can see the soft glow of the China ball. But that's not what we're trying to go for here. All right, everything's plugged in. Here we go. Let there be light. Oh, probably the wrong one. Let there be light. Hey, it worked. That's awesome. All right, don't need this China ball anymore. That is awesome. Look at that. Still gotta clean up the plugs and everything, but that's a good first step. I love it. Still a ways to go, but this is part of the fun. It's good news. Nice. I got my some lights in the shop, wired up my first successful breaker box and light switch, so I'm pretty proud about that. And then I moved my little mini lathe in here so I can start turning stuff on the home lathe. I got the blue boxes kind of laid out where I want power outlets all the way around. Still gotta put them on here, but gives me a good idea of kind of where I'll be able to have power. So yeah, pretty excited. I think this is a great place to stop for now. I gotta go to Florida and get the rest of my stuff. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. It's looking good.